Hi guys, I'm going to be making a strawberry milkshake. First, we blender. I already put ice cube in here, but okay. We're going to use strawberry.
Okay, Samuel, why are you talking like that?
It's like she's like boys. Oh, we used to. Like if I had a camera to videotape her.
Next, after you put your strawberry, after you put your ice cream, you need to get your strawberry.
It's okay, they used to be like that.
Why you look at me for?
Mom, do you have
Oh,
any
they
scissors?
had the happy toys.
Mommy, do you have any scissors?
That's dumber.
Someone, do you have scissors? Come on. I'm not
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You need to be back.
Then you ask your grandma for scissors. You got your scissors. Cut it open. After you do a little bit cut, you can rip the ones in half cut. Give your scissors back to grandma.
Put what money on that.
Next, you need your strawberries. Put your strawberries in the blender. Or just put them. Make sure the strawberry looks good, not ugly.
Okay.
4 is enough.
Say come there, please.
Just in case if we need strawberries, we're going to put the tips out. Okay.
Put took me from Kaiway Saturday and Sunday. Them
Yummy.
Kakabati Malas. Them
Next,
Kakabati
you need your milk.
Malas.
This is really heavy. Pull it in here. Mommy, I actually poured too much.
No, you didn't. Just blend it and see what happens.
Okay, I can see
Oh,
like
add strawberries. Did you add strawberries?
add strawberries. Should I add a little bit more?
Add a little bit more.
I still add too much, so let's gonna add some more strawberries.
I told him to take it. When you look at the blender, there's a line. You don't want to go past
Oh, I didn't went past it yet.
Okay, then that's it.
But I just want to add more strawberries because it looks like a lot, so I'm gonna add more strawberries. I actually put a lot, so we're gonna top this off with some more strawberries. A little bit one. Put it in here. Now we're gonna also put this to the side, and I'm gonna put that to the side here. Grab your blender. Now you shut it closed like this. Make sure it's nice and tight so it won't spill. Now we gotta grab a blender. Got your blender, plug it in. After you plug it in blender, grab your milkshake, grab your blender, flip it up. Now we need to blend it. Okay, guys, we're gonna just taste test it first to see if it needs anything. If it does, I'm gonna try making milkshake, you all. So don't judge me. Let's put that to the side. Open a milkshake. The hard part is when you open it and it kind of spills
I'm sorry?
out.
It's too heavy for me.
It's okay, just leave it. If you can, just leave it. Do the best that you can, just leave it.
Okay, guys, I'm an expert.
Is that the new one, the Lion King?
I know what it means. So cute.
We should watch that one. Yeah, now we need to be watching.
Guys, it needs the best ingredient ever. Voila. You can only add a pinch. Only a pinch. This is a lot, but okay. Now, close it up. Put that to the side too. Grab the cup again. Flip it over. Mix it.
You have to hold your head up, please.
Grab it back. Flip it over. 3, 2, 1. Now we blend this again.
So
3, 2, 1, flip!
if the money is full, Kyla, full.
Well, the taste test
You
food.
know why they never
Put
say
it in here. Look, you guys, I think this tastes good. This looks really good. Let me just get a cup for it, okay?
Huh?
I need to get a nice
What about
professional
him?
cup, nice and young.
Who here, Hart? Mine? She said she wants to.
Okay, now we're dancing for me, y'all. Okay,
I know she could do it.
we have one more page. I feel like I just need a page for this. So, but this has a little bit of ice cream, so this doesn't need that. Okay, we're done. I think we're officially done.
Listen, do you know what comb I'm looking for?
I don't know. The pink comb?
Yeah.
On my bed to the left side of her bed on the black thing. I'll get it for you in a second after I'm done making my...
Okay, no problem. Just finish. No rush.
Okay, let's blend it again. I think so then with my nice milkshake. Put the blends inside again. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see if you kind of see it like coming down. So, yeah. Let's just say flip. There's a bubble. Now we taste test it one last time. Guys, that is awesome. All I think you need is ice cream that were good.
Oh.
Okay. Grab the ice cream back, y'all. It's looking kind of, the ice cream's looking kind of melted, so, yeah. And also, I'm going to be giving my mom some. I always went to the brother. I always went to the brother. 1, 2, 3, flip! 1, 2, 3, spit. Y'all be right back. I'm back. I made this the best. But it's okay. I'm gonna make messes. Turn it up again, y'all. I know it's spinning again and working again. Grab your blender. What did I say? 1, 2, 3, flip! Now let's blend this up. Okay, guys, flip. Put the blender to the side. Now we grab a nice delicious milkshake. Turn up. What do I like to say? 1, 2, 3, flip.
You okay?
Now it's good, guys. We're gonna add my cup. Let's pour. Excuse me. Let's pour this in. Yay! Keep pouring this on, y'all. Look how good that is, y'all. This one is gonna be for my mom. Let me grab cup. Mom, if you want some, I'm trying to put some in. Let's do some. We also got a nice glass cup professional for my mom too. I'll give her the rest of mine. Put the bun in the sink. Okay, we got our 2 nice cups. Now let's put our stuff away. First, we put away the strawberries. Next, we put away the sugar. That's just right here, y'all. So just gonna put it here. Okay, now finally, not finally yet. We gotta put away the ice cream.
Turn your head.
Then finally, put away my favorite thing, milk. Now all you have to do is put this to the side and we clean. Cause we gotta help our grandma clean, you all. Okay. I'm gonna give this cut to my mom now.
What's up about my mommy side?
Cause that's mine. Here's the mommy.
We can take a picture together. Both are drinking.
Okay, y'all, with me and my mom, I'm gonna try this, okay? We're just gonna wait 1 second. Okay, guys, this is the drink. You like this? Okay, let's say cheers. Cheers. I like this. It's really good.